Hello from Dog River, baby. That's right, Pawpaw finna throw down tonight. I got skitty, shrimp from Mobile Bay, right out the bay, pasta sauce, oregano, basil, garlic, green onion, and a cold beer. Water boiling in that pot over yonder. We finna make some shrimp marinara, y'all. South Alabama style. Stand by. We finna cook. Alright, water's boiling, skitty's going in. There it is. There it is. Pot set 9 minutes. I didn't put that liquid right in there. I'm going to save it though. I may add it later in case it get a little dry. I'm going to let these shrimp cook out first. I might just go ahead and add these green onions in there now. Dry white wine, green onions, slap your mama, and some of them good old Mobile Bay shrimps out of Mobile, Alabama. Buy a battery bacon, baby. Only the best is for us. Yes, sir. We're going to get them pink. I'm going to add in a little bit of this in. Refreshment. Right down my throat. Oregano. Basil. Oregano and basil. Going in. A little bit of this pasta sauce. Going in there like that. Put back that little bit of vermouth back right in there just like that. Get it going in. Now, and now. How about a little bit of that shrimp marinara, y'all, with them green onions. Here you are, babe. Later, Gators. Love y'all. Meet it. Lock the doors, baby.